how do you get a loan for a fixer-upper? How do you get started doing that process? Great question, Jose. Thank you. Thank you for asking that. So there are different type of loans out there. So they are the usual residential loans and they're the commercial loans. So most of us are probably familiar with the residential loan. It's the one where you get the fixed interest rate for the next 15, 30 years. You either put somewhere between 3% down to 20% down, depending on whether you get a VA loan, which are 0, or an FHA, or just a traditional 20% down. But on the commercial side, those are actually very, very creative in itself. You will need to have an LLC because they won't lend you under your personal name because of the simple fact that it's a commercial loan, so it needs to be treated as a business. So back a couple of months ago, I actually had an episode where I spoke to a patch of land, Hector Perez. It's the mortgage broker for Patch of Land, and Patch of Land has different products as well. And Patch of Land is not the only one, they just happen to be the ones that I work with, but you're more than welcome to check on scottmanguy.com and look at other possibilities to connect with other mortgage brokers and other lenders as well for commercial loans. And there are loans where they actually finance the purchase of the property, and they also give you the amount of money that you need in order to do the rehab on it as well. So they finance the entire thing for you, but however, the numbers have to make sense. So before you even reach out to them, make sure you look presentable in person and on paper. Chances are you probably will not meet Hector in person because he's all the way out. I believe he's in California. However, if you put yourself nicely on paper, meaning you work on your net worth, you create your financial spreadsheet, you have run the numbers to evidence that the deal that you're planning to finance is in fact a profitable one. So another thing that you have to consider is that for commercial loans, those are based on the income of the property. They don't care so much about you. They do care about your credit in a sense because they need to back a person behind it. There has to be a face, someone who's making the mortgage payments to it in order to take care of the loan. But you definitely can reach out to Hector, go that route. I will table that as well and have my team actually include the link to the video itself, or you are more than welcome to go and find it right now if you're in a rush to actually get in touch with Hector. And but they Scottman Guy is definitely a great guy. It's a great tool for you to access. There is another video where I talk about Scottman Guy on a full-blown basis, so you can actually search for the list of lenders that are available in all 50 states. Okay, so hopefully that helps answer your question.